Sunil here. So today I am going to explain about the one of the most important interview questions where the if as a input if it is given that set in a map that candidate and list of their priority and second input it will be the list of the all the jobs which is available. So these are the two input which will be given and we have to find out that how many matches is possible as per given this input. Okay, this is the things. So if you will see the problem, then this is nothing but it's more about the how do you solve the particular problem in recursive approach, right? So this is also the kind of recursive nature. With the help of that, we can I can solve it. So if you will see that since this is the recursive, so here as know that for the optimal iterations, here I am going to take the one match map moment when I will get the matchings of the particular jobs means then we will store the candidate index here means candidate value we will store as a value and key it will be the job which is match jobs and this is it will be the scenes for the particular when during the iterations basically moment when we will see that okay this particular candidate have this particular priority and it is already seen then those kind of tracking also I am going to take it here. Okay, and max jobs recursively based on the input we will add finally this will be the integer kind of things where we will add the moment when we will found that okay matches we found and we will do the plus activity. So now come now I must going to start the coding. So as per the coding if you will see that this is nothing but we have the list which I explain here. We have the 0 1 2 3 basically. So 0 2 3 we have this kind of four different job priority of the candidate of respective candidate applicants. So for the 0 1 2 3 means 0 candidate have this priority job priority 1 job priority 2 job priority 3 and then we have the all the job which is available 10 11 12 13 this is the this indicate the job number this indicate the job right. So here I can pass the this argument to this method. Now see as I explained that since this is the recursive nature and recursive nature very much the problem of the recursive nature what we can do we will store the map. So what is the match jobs as I explained in the Excel sheet also whenever the match job we got it then we will store it. So just match jobs equal to new has map. So here I store the match jobs. Now for the match jobs I stored it right. Now for every candidate right for every candidate I mean we are saying that every candidate it means that basically we will isolate such a that uh, we will accurate such a that for every uh, candidate right. So these all are the candidates right. So for since problem is what we have to create the suitable job for particular candidate. So candidate we can say and from where we will get all the list of candidates from here right dot set candidate jobs applicant dot get key set. ठीक है. ठीक है. One by one we are iterating the every candidate. Now moment when I saw the candidate, particular candidate have the matches, then what is the meaning of that? This is the meaning that uh, we have to iterate for every thing, right? So every candidate have the some priority. So once priority they will get, and in case of that particular priority is matched by some other person, so we will skip also, right? So like I saying that this one basically jobs in. So how they will take care of scene equal to new as set, and then after that what will be what I saying that recursively we will pass this value to the next function. So next function I say that maths recursive and will pass the candidate, then we'll pass the this job application, then we'll pass the math jobs, math jobs and jobs. Math recursive or we and it is passed it again. So since what is the max? Since we have to calculate recursively, right? So max equal to 0 when this max match it will be done. So I saying that this max match it will be depends moment when this particular function will return the true, then I saying that okay, increase one plus, right? Otherwise, not increase it. Otherwise, not increase it. So like that. Now see, here just like pass through all the things and recursively here we will add it. Now what is the options? Now all the job applications. I know that what is the jobs in the job column, all applicants dot get of candidate get candidates. Jobs रहेगा and if this is existing to jobs, say dot contains particular jobs. If it is contains, then we have to continue the next one. If it is not contains, then we will have to add it in dot add it. So add whatever the job is there, and then after that this job I have to add it into the matching criteria, key match criteria. So how we will do? If basically in this match dot contains key of job equal to null है, then map dot get है कर लो null है, what you can do match jobs output. Now see here what I saying that particular job is matched with this candidate, right? Particular job is matched with this candidate that I am saying. If it is not, and return the true, return true. Now moment we suppose that if it is not matched, then boolean flags photo. Again, since this is not matched, so you what is the next target? Next target is that you have to call with the next candidate, right? So next, what will be the next candidate? Next candidate will be the this one dot get jobs, since jobs is not null. So we will get the candidate, and then after that we will call this one and match job, but still it will be sorry match job, but still it will be the match jobs, and job scene is nothing but job scenes. If flag if flag equal to true, then if flag equal to true, then it means that we have to put the match jobs dot put sorry map dot put map dot put click in job, and this is the candidate, right? And return true. And in the last you will return the this max jobs. And here again. So now let's run what the results is there. So we can see that this is the results, right? And how we will get it. And if you want to see this particular matching also, job match. So again you can return this kind of basically key in key is the your job, right? So that get sorry is it, since here the key is nothing but job, right? job and candidate. So this and you can see that job, job and candidate. Candidate will be what? Math jobs. Don't get jobs. So, right. So this is the job and this is the math candidate, selected candidate. You selected candidate, right? So here we can see that for the 10, which is the suitable, but for the 11, this is then like that. So all the candidate who is matching with which job. Okay, thanks for this.